Now, since asthma is the breath connected disease, that is, your breathing is affected. Therefore, pranayam is the best way to treat this disease. Pranayams are nothing but breathing exercises, suitable breathing exercises, and meditations also help in treatment of this disease. Meditations will calm down the nerve centers. So, the asthma which was produced due to some allergic conditions will get calmed down by virtue of the meditation practices. Among the pranayams, Bhastrika pranayam is one of the important pranayams for improving the condition of the lungs. However, this pranayam needs to be done carefully under the expert guidance of a yoga teacher. The patient sometimes may get an attack of asthma while doing this pranayam. That is why the need to do it very carefully. In Bhastrika, you are breathing fast, breathing in, breathing out by expanding your chest. That ventilates and superventilates your lungs. This exercise of Bhastrika can be done at least 10 to 15 minutes per day in the morning hours. It will help the asthmatic patients to a great extent. The meditation of enjoy your breath helps to calm down the nerve centers. It is a very simple meditation. I have explained that in my book, Enjoy Your Breath. People can practice it and benefit from it. Somebody asked me how this simple technique of meditation can cure patients of asthma. Here I would like to tell, I will give you a practical example. When I was lecturing in Brahmapur, the Vice Chancellor of the university had invited all his faculty members. More than 300 persons had collected, and one of the faculty members, as he entered the hall, he was coughing continuously. Incessantly he was coughing. During the lecture program, I made the audience do EYB meditation for about 15 minutes. In those 15 minutes of meditation, the concerned person did not cough even once. The questioner from the audience, when he asked, "Sir, how is it that this meditation can stop this attack of the cough? It can cool down, it can calm down the nerve centers in the brain." I told them that the practical example is there in front of you. How many of you have observed that this person, when he entered, he was continuously coughing, and he was continuously coughing during the lecture, but he did not cough even once during the meditation process? People got convinced because the practical example was there in front of them. There are a number of yogasanas also which will help in curing the patients of this disease. The important yogasana is the Matsyasana, then Chakrasana. We are going to demonstrate these asanas to you. Our sadhaks will show you these asanas. You can have a look at those and practice them in your house or at any other yoga center, wherever you like. The various tests that one need to do for this disease are the blood test, the X-ray, the pulmonary function test, and also the amount of volume of air that your lungs can breathe in or breathe out. These are some of the common tests that one can do for the asthmatic disease. A Apart from the yogasanas, pranayams and meditations, there are some good herbal medicines also, such as pushkar mool, bharangi, pipali, shunthi, etc., etc. These can be used by the patients. In our clinic, we administer some of these herbal medicines to the patients frequently, which are found to be very helpful. The persistence of the disease of asthma can lead to so many health problems, because it affects the breathing, and breathing affects your total system of the body. Breathing will affect the oxygen intake into the body, and if the oxygen is less, automatically you will have so many other problems coming up in your health.